definitely doing this again. Okay, this is our second time. I colored this one, and Steve colored this one. This is marker, and that's colored pencil. So let's show you how you do this. Okay, Steve, go ahead and let's set level win up. So you put it inside a sleeve of, is that parchment paper or wax paper? And then notice, like, do it one more time. No, yeah. So it's inside. And now that's turned upside down and it's setting on top so that it can press it down so that it's not going to turn into a disastrous plastic ball that makes you sad. Stick it inside an oven at about 350, did you say? And please behold our oven and feel better about yourself. This doesn't bother me. It's probably a fire hazard, but it works. So it's beginning to shrink and it's trying to push back against the paper to turn into a massive ball of sadness. But the grate is holding it down. Notice it's not even flat anymore. So it's doing its job, that grate. Let's see if we can close it back up. And I think it's about done. It's looking considerably smaller. The dink has shrunk. Please use protection from the heat. There we go. And I have help, y'all. Steve is here helping me so I can video. There you go. Your dink has been shrinked. Let's see, let's pull it away. Can you touch it? Let's see. Do you mind going on camera?
It's all right.
Pushing it down. It's just a regular tea towel or hand towel for the kitchen. A couple of seconds. Because they do want to curl back up. And then there. All right. And there you have it. Oops, I gotta try and focus this in. Focus. There we go. Love will win. And he did this one in, let's get some better light. Colored pencil. Oh, Steve, that turned out so pretty. All right. This one with Women Unite, it's all markers. Again, slide it in between the sleeve you make with parchment paper. Parchment paper, right?
Mm-hmm.
Put a weight down. This is just a toaster oven rack turned upside down. And put it in the toaster oven for a couple minutes. And then after about 3 minutes, check your Shrinky Dink. And let's see what we got. And this one did, well, it was off camera. Sorry, guys. It did rise up and push back. And this one, I'm afraid I went too dark with these colors. So we'll see.
It's still really hot.
Really hot.
1 second, let me get this way.
Yeah, don't burn
Yeah,
yourself.
that's not helpful. I need to get it up and out of
the pan. There you go. Let's see what we got. I think we're going to push it down for a little bit. Make sure it stays flat.